Hi entrepreneurs! In today's video, you will learn about the 5 benefits of using Wave App Accounting as a master user. A master user uses Wave App Accounting like a pro, and what does it mean to you to become a master user, and why do you need to strive to become a master user in Wave App Accounting? Here are the reasons why. A master user navigates around Wave Accounting easily. A master user uses Wave Accounting features to his or her business advantage. A master user easily records all financial transactions in the shortest amount of time. A master user measures business performances to make good, timely decisions for his or her business. And the last but not least, a master user keeps good track of customers' payment with Wave Accounting. Hi there! I'm so happy to see you here today. My name is Sharon and I'm from nutsaccounting.com, and I help entrepreneurs to use cloud accounting system like a pro in simple English. At Nuts Accounting, there's weekly tips and tutorials on cloud accounting system and online business curated just for you. Do you know that we have a free masterclass that is tailor-made just for you? If you would like to sign up for this free masterclass, which is the 3 secrets of becoming a master user in Wave Accounting in 2020 and beyond, head on over to nutsaccounting.com/wave to sign up for this free masterclass. And don't forget that it's going to be a live webinar for you, so remember to join us live so that you can have the opportunity to ask your questions and get your questions answered. And a very quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Wave App Accounting in any ways at all. I created this video only based on my personal experience in using Wave App Accounting, and I hope that by sharing my knowledge with you, you can use yours better. Now let's get started. What are the benefits that you will enjoy when you become a master user in Wave App Accounting? When you really use Wave App Accounting like a pro, you will easily navigate around Wave App Accounting. So let's have a look at what does this mean to you. If you are a master user and you use Wave App Accounting like a pro, you will know where does all the menu bars, all the pages lead to. So in this example here, this is the menu bar of your Wave App Accounting. And from here, you can see there are quite a number of menus around Wave App Accounting, such as the sales, the purchases, the accounting, banking. There are quite a number of menus here that has a little arrow pointing down, which means that it is expandable, and there are more pages within compiled together, grouped together within that arrow. So now let's have a look at sales. So when you click on sales, it's going to expand all the pages that's available for sales. So if you are using Wave App Accounting like a pro, you can easily and knows where you should go. For example, when you need to issue an invoice to your customer. So you will already know that you can go to sales from your menu bar, go to sales and then go to invoices. And if you need to generate a customer statement for your customer, then you know where to go. You know how to go to generate the customer statements, which is from your sales to the customer statement and not to the reports menu bar. Okay, so if you are a master user, everything will be easy and simple for you because you can just navigate around Wave App Accounting. Even with your eyes closed, you already know where are all the things and how to navigate around Wave App Accounting. So all these menu bars here, these are all easily navigates around for you when you use Wave App Accounting like a pro. The second benefit that you enjoy as a master user of Wave App Accounting is you will be able to use all the features in Wave App Accounting to your business advantage, which means you will make good use of all the Wave App Accounting features to help your business to either save you time or help your business grow faster, or to help your business to operate in a better system, a better way to operate, and your staff or your employees or even you yourself will know where to go, what to do, when to do. So all these kind of wave accounting features is very easy, very convenient, and it's very useful, and it's really very helpful to your business if you know how to use it well. So now let's have a look at some of the features that's available in Wave App Accounting that can help you and your business. The first one is the Wave Receipts. So if as a master user of Wave App Accounting, you will know how to make good use of Wave Receipts to help you to save time rather than spending your time in recording your expenses, recording your receipts, and then save a clear copy of your receipt. You can do all that all in one at one task only. You just need to grab your phone, open up your Wave Receipt app in your phone, and then just snap a picture and everything is done. So this is the Wave Receipt feature that you must use as a master user of Wave App Accounting. So this is how it looks like in Wave App Accounting for Wave Receipts. The next feature that the master user will really make good use of is the email feature. If you are a master user in Wave App Accounting, you will surely know how to use this email feature to help you to save time to send this email to your customer so that your customer can pay you even faster. The next feature is the Wave Connect feature. In the Wave Connect feature, this is a very useful feature that will help you to save a lot of time in processing all of your transactions, because with just one click of a button, then all the transactions that you want to create in your Wave App Accounting is straight away uploaded into your Wave App Accounting at just one click of a button. So it's a very good trick, right? It's just like waving a magic wand, and then everything is done. And the third benefit that you will enjoy as a master user is you can record all financial transactions faster. So what do we mean by that? Because as a master user, you already know very well what you are going to do, when you are going to do the things that you want to do, and how to do it. So you do not waste any time at all in searching around the web how to do this, how to do that, and learn on it before you do it. So it's just like everything in this world, just like riding a bike. So once you know how to do it, then very quickly you can just ride your bike to your school, and not like learning where are the pedals and how to balance yourself on the bike. All this you have already gone through, and you can use your bike even faster. So in Wave App Accounting, there are a number of transactions that you will need to do on a daily basis and on a weekly basis. So like for example, there are certain transactions that you will need to create for your customers. So in the Wave App Accounting, if you are a master user, you already know where you need to go, what are the pages to create, like for example, an invoice for your customer, or an estimate for your customer, or even generate a statement of account for your customer. When you purchase something from your suppliers, and you will know where you should go and how you should record all the suppliers' invoices that you receive, and where you should record this supplier's invoice into your Wave App Accounting as a bill, and also all the products and services that you purchase or you sell will be able to manage by you even faster. The fourth benefit of being a master user is you can track your business performances and make good business decisions for your business. As a master user, you will know where you should go to track your business performances, such as your dashboard, where it gives you a very good synopsis of what's happening within your business, what are the figures that your business is performing, what are the expenses, and even generating certain financial reports. And as a master user, you will know very well what are the financial reports that you need to look at when you want to make a certain business decisions, such as your profit and loss statement, or your balance sheet, or your cash flow statement. Now, the fifth benefit of being a master user in Wave App Accounting is you will get paid faster. So what do we mean by that? Because as a master user, you will know what you need to do in order to help your customer to pay you faster. So as a master user, you will know how to make good use of the reports and every features in Wave App Accounting, such as the age receivables report and also the Wave Payments feature, where it allows you to accept credit card payments from your customer directly from your Wave App Accounting itself. So as a master user, you will know how to use all these reports and all these features to help your customers to pay you faster. And well, who doesn't like the customers to pay them faster, right? As a business owner, you will be extremely happy to help your customer to pay you even faster. So if you haven't registered yet, don't forget, you can register for free for our free masterclass that's coming up really soon, which is the 3 secrets of becoming a master user in Wave Accounting in 2020 and beyond. And you can register yourself at nutsaccounting.com/wave. Just head on over to this link, nutsaccounting.com/wave, to register for this free masterclass, and do remember to join us live on our webinars to get your questions answered. In this video, you have learned a master user navigates around Wave Accounting easily. A master user uses Wave Accounting features to his or her business advantage. A master user easily records all financial transactions in the shortest amount of time. A master user measures business performances to make good, timely decisions for his or her business. And a master user keeps good track of customers' payments with Wave Accounting. So let me know in the comments below, would you like to use Wave Accounting like a pro? If you are new to Nuts Accounting and you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications of future videos. If you like this video, click the like button and also share this with your friends. As always, Nuts Accounting is here to help entrepreneurs to master cloud accounting system in simple English. So if you would like to watch the next video of Nuts Accounting, click or tap on the screen right there. And don't forget that you can also learn more tutorials, especially on Wave App Accounting, and more tips on how to grow your business faster at Nuts Accounting. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.